Changelly is a user-focused cryptocurrency exchange platform that simplifies the process of swapping digital assets. Whether you're an experienced trader or a beginner exploring the crypto world, Changelly offers a seamless interface and an extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies. Upon visiting the website, you'll be greeted by a clean layout designed for efficiency. The homepage prominently features a simple exchange widget, where you can choose the currency you want to swap and the one you want to receive. After inputting the amount, the platform instantly calculates the rate and processing fees, giving you a transparent breakdown of the transaction. Signing up is straightforward. You can create an account using your email address, or alternatively, you can perform quick swaps without registration. However, registering allows you to track transactions and access additional features, such as fixed rates that shield you from market volatility during the transaction. Changelly is integrated with leading exchanges to ensure you get the best rates available. When you initiate a swap, the platform scans these exchanges to offer you competitive pricing. Transactions are quick, typically taking 5 to 30 minutes, depending on blockchain confirmation times. In addition to standard cryptocurrency swaps, Changelly provides a fiat-to-crypto gateway. You can purchase crypto using your credit card, offering a bridge for newcomers to enter the blockchain ecosystem effortlessly. The process is secure, supported by trusted payment providers, and adheres to high compliance standards. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a top priority for Changelly. While the platform itself is non-custodial, meaning it doesn't hold your funds, it employs stringent measures to protect your transactions. They partner with reputable wallets and exchange services, ensuring a trustworthy user experience. Navigating through the site, you'll find detailed resources, including a blog, FAQ section, and live support, making it easier to address any questions or concerns. Changelly's versatility is a standout feature, whether you're swapping Bitcoin, Ethereum, or exploring altcoins like Monero and Scash. It's a tool designed for both simplicity and efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable platform to handle your cryptocurrency exchanges, Changelly is an excellent option. It combines speed, security, and competitive rates to offer a top-tier user experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more crypto insights.